Hello all, welcome to another quick learning. Today we're going to be going over the where clause in SQL. You use where when you want to filter the rows that are returned from a SQL statement. So we've got the select, we're just returning all the fields by using star, and then we're using the film table here. And then the next thing we would do is put in a where clause. Now, I don't usually do this, but I'm just going to cover it because you may see it in code in other places. You may see something like column 1 equals column 2, and you might even see kind of these parentheses with a plus sign. So when you're doing joins, you can do them in the from, like I showed in an earlier video, or you can put it in the where clause. My preference is to put it in a from. I think it's a little bit cleaner, but you may see that people are doing joins like this in the where clause. All right, so now we're going to get into how you do the filtering. So if I want to just see the rows here where the rating is R for a film, I can just put in where rating equals R. And because this is a string, I need to use this little quotation mark there. And then if I run the query, you can see it returns only the films with R rating. In addition to equal, you've got greater than or less than. So let's say greater than rent duration. Sorry. Rental duration is greater than 4. If we run that, you can see now all the films have a rental duration greater than 4. You can also do greater than or equal to. Now it brings in the 4s, and you could do less than or equal, and so on. Another thing you can do when you're working, let's say, with strings, if I want to look at the title, you use the like operator, and I want to find any film that has this word Italian in it. So what you'll use is this % operator. This tells the database engine that I want any number of characters from this location in the string, and then I put it at the end as well, so there can be any number of characters before the word Italian, any number of characters after the word Italian, and it could be 0 possibly. So I run that, you can see there's two. There's Chamber Italian and Italian African. So another thing you can do is use the in operator if you have more than one condition that you want to filter for. So let's go back to the table. I want to see films that have a rental rate of $2.99 and $4.99. So I'm going to put in rental rate in, and then I do parenthesis, $4.99 and $2.99. Since these are numeric values, I don't need to do the apostrophe. So around it. And now you can see I've filtered it to that. Another way you could do this is use the and operator. So I can change this up. And rental rate equals $2.99. So this says the same thing. But you're using the and operator. You can also use the or operator as you would do in any other logical way. And actually I should use the or operator here because I want either $4.99 or $2.99. A thing can't have a rental rate of both. So now you've got that showing. And those are some of the ways that you can filter data with the where clause. I hope you guys learned something. Thank you very much.